back to my channel. Guess what? I got friend mail. Now, in full disclosure, we were cleaning the couch today, and I found a CVS bag that had mail from when I was away. And in that was 2 cards from the P.O. box. So I apologize to whoever this is. Now, I do know that Jim opened one at the post office. I remember him saying that because we have gotten some suspicious mail postmarked from Pennsylvania before. And because this is from Pennsylvania, he opened one. Just one. So I'm going to open it now. It just says it's from, yeah, it says from Pennsylvania. It's got like a Pittsburgh postmark. So I told him that's not one to worry about. But he opened it anyway. Okay. That is absolutely beautiful. It says, 5 things God wants you to remember in trying times. You're never, ever alone. Nothing takes him by surprise. When you're weak, he's strong. He's the God of new beginnings. His love never gives up on us. That's so true. This was postmarked September 20th. So as you can know, I'm absolutely apologetic to whoever this is. And I'm so grateful. Thank you. I'm sorry. It's from Terry. Dear Jeri-Ann, trusting him to carry you through. He is our driver on this wonderful ride. Please know that you are in my prayers. Do not let negative people affect you. They have their own crosses to bear. Love, Terry. Terry, that's so beautiful. Thank you. I am really trying my hardest not to do that. I still pray for them. Because I always say that hurt people, and I don't want anybody to be hurting. Even if they choose to make me the target of their pain. But I don't really have the strength to deal with them other than to just pray. So, and this one's postmarked the exact same date. So I don't know if they were mailed at the same time or if they just got to me at the same time. Aw, eat a puppy. We all know life may be tough, but we all know you're tougher. Stay strong. Oh, dear Jeri-Ann, I'm not sure, but my thoughts tell me you are even more she just said sorry above it. She crossed it out, you know. You have even more going on than usual. God will work things out for you. Give the problems to him to help you through. If you need someone to talk to, listen. I'm up late and have grandkids that are in bed by 9 p.m. usually. Been through even though I'm virtually a stranger, I'm a good listener. By the way, please don't think I'm a lurker. LOL. I just sometimes can relate to someone who is going through an emotional, trying time. Please take care of yourself. Don't ever feel alone. Remember, your good friends and family are there for you and always will be. Unconditionally love, Terry. Terry, thank you for that. That was really sweet. And I am sorry that it's taken me almost 2 months to get your cards. I would like to really extend a wonderful thanks to everyone who has contributed to my mental health while I tend to my physical health. I'm so blessed. I hope that you can know how much it means to me I hope I can relay it to you of how much it truly, truly means to me to have such a wonderful YouTube family, circle, friends, support. It really does mean so much. So yesterday was kind of a really rough day physically. I made it out to the couch. I spent quite a few hours out on the couch. Every time my reminder to stand up goes off, I stand up, and depending on what I have to give. Yesterday was marching in place, but really I wasn't able to really pick my feet up because my right leg was hurting. But then I got towards like the last march session where I was able to pick my right foot up and kind of just march my right foot because I really didn't feel like I could bear weight on it. And it was kind of a rough day. And I missed talking to you. I did. I missed just being able to sit here and to tell you how the day was going. But I got so tired and physically tired. And I was planning to take my shower yesterday, and I was not feeling good enough. And then as the night went on, I always try to keep a reserve of energy for if I say have a weak stomach and have to go to the bathroom a lot of times quickly. And by the time Jim got home, I just felt like I needed to get in the shower. I said, it's not going to take me much more effort now that I don't have a brace than it would to actually go to the bathroom. Jim was doing my wound care when he comes home from work anyway, so I said it's not really going to be much more. The only difference is we'll take a break between when you remove the bandages and when you put the medicine on and cover them back up again. But on days like yesterday, I still try to put my best foot forward. I still remember that the scans are good. And we are still headed in the right direction. And the fight is still before us, but it's also after us. Like we're still in the middle of it, but I feel like closer to the goal line, if that makes any sense. But there's still so much pain that comes with it, like physical pain, that it's hard to remember that. You know, when you have the physical pain or the exhaustion, it's hard to remember that you're winning. I know I probably talked a little bit about something like this months ago when I had the rashes were really bad and the mouth was really bad. But the truth is, there are some days when you just feel fantastic. Today I got dressed, I got a new outfit on. I got the shirt, a Dave and Sissy deal from Amazon for like $7. And I got the overalls from Walmart, and they're stretchy and they're cuffed on the bottom. I have a little picture that I can share with you. And they're so comfortable, and they were $29. I think $28.99 at Walmart. And that's really good for plus size jeans, whether or not they're overalls. That's a really good price. And the fact that they're stretchy, they will grow and shrink with me. And the fact that they're overalls will grow and shrink with me, depending. So, I got dressed today, and I walked out to the car. And we got in the car, and we drove to Starbucks. And we took our friend home. And then we went for a ride. And we went down to look for the river park. I couldn't remember how far it was. I have to call my friend and ask her if she can tell me the name of it, or if she knows exactly where it is. It might be south of Edgar Springs. I don't really know, but then we went for a drive just north, and just to get out, you know. I mean, it's no longer pretty autumn because we've had our first frost, so like the colors of the leaves are already bare, the trees are bare, and the green trees are turning that army olive green that they do in the winter time. They don't have that bright evergreen green color. Some of them look very hurt. But it felt so good to just get out and be like normal. And we laughed and we talked. And we explored. And we laughed some more. It just felt good to be out. It felt good to be have a little semblance of some normalcy. Those types of things mean a lot. I helped my aide clean off the couch, or my aide helped me clean off the couch. It's really how it started, but of course she is so amazing. She ended up doing like most of the work and telling me to just sit there and fold stuff. But that's okay. I did what I could do for her, for us. Anyhow, now this is like deep. Didn't mean for this friend mail video to get to be so deep, but I did want to talk to you guys about this today because I don't like to keep things from you where it comes to my feelings and stuff. But it comes to how I'm feeling. And it's hard to imagine. I wanted to say it's hard to imagine life any different. But for right now, like, it's hard to plan for the future. It's hard to plan far in the future. I know I have a future. I just don't know what it looks like. That's the thing. And I don't just mean like, oh, I hope I don't break a leg when I'm going to the grocery store. This is more like, I hope I feel good enough to do these things. And it's hard because people depend on you and you depend on people and you want to be there for everybody and you want to do everything that you can for everybody that you can. I want to be able to comfort people before I go. I want them to know that I felt loved by everybody. Do you know what I mean? I have felt loved by all of these people. Even the people that don't like me still come by and see it how I am for whatever reason. I will tell you that I am extremely excited. Tomorrow is Saturday and I'm headed into the craft room. Will I get a whole DIY made by Sunday to upload for Sunday's video? I don't know. But we're at least going to get things started. We're going to take the Christmas DIY boxes out and inventory and see and make plans. I did mention to you as I'm doing my room, was doing the craft room, that I've gone through the boxes except the holiday boxes because I knew I was going to pull them out per holiday. Now, before we rearranged, put down the new floor, we went through some of the boxes and purged a whole bunch of stuff. Valentine's Day, Easter. But really haven't done it since then. So we do have a couple of seasons that we're behind. Halloween and autumn. But for right now, all the autumn DIY stuff fits in the autumn boxes. So I'm not going to probably purge it until next autumn. But we're going to head into the Christmas. And then, of course, something I have to do with the Halloween because all of the Halloween stuff does not fit in the Halloween boxes. So I do still have to purge that. So I don't know if tomorrow we're going to end up doing that, or I'm just going to start DIYing because I really, really miss being creative. I can tell when I'm in a organized mood or when I'm in a creative mood, when I'm in a crafty mood or I'm in a cleaning mood. And really for me, never the twain shall meet. I'm either feeling organized or I'm feeling crafty. And that's why I have a sign in my craft room that says, creative minds are seldom tidy. It's a double entendre because when your mind's creative, your brain has a lot of processing. But also, when you're a creative, you make more of a mess. So I would like to just say thank you. I want to say thank you to everybody for having the patience to put up with me healing, recovering, fighting. Thank you for having the patience for me to get better and to start teaching again. I do hope I can make you all very proud to be part of this YouTube family. Listen, I love you. And if nobody has told you today that you are loved, you please can always come by and hear how much I love you. Because listen, I love you very, very much. Okay? All right. And as always, you take care. God bless. And we'll see you next time. Bye. Meow.